It's Wednesday, time for our new listening. From this week, we are starting with a new format. Our first listening is Level A for beginner. Level B is for intermediate and Level C is for advanced. What level are you? Let's see. This week our listening is about music. Can you guess the band, musician or song? Can you guess the band? This band is from England and were very popular in the 70s, 80s and 90s. The song is We Will Rock You. Who are they? This song was sung by an all-star cast of musicians in the mid-1980s and was in aid of a charity. What was the song? And finally, can you guess the singer? This singer has ginger hair, plays a ukulele, wears glasses, and is absolutely fantastically talented. Who is he? Well, there you have it. Remember to send us back your answers so that we can check and correct them. How did you do? Did your answers correctly match your level? If not, don't worry. You can always do this next week as well. Take care. Have a great weekend.